Anti-theft sensor installation. First, open the box. You can see two anti-theft devices and some anti-theft accessories. Inside the white toolbox are 1* power cord, 1* connection line, 8* fixing screws, 1* sensor remote control, 1* tag removal tool, 100 mini security tags. Next, let's look at the installation of the sensor. Use a screwdriver to open the fixing screws on both sides of the cover. Connect the cable to the main board and the sub-board. Power-ups. Inductive security tag alarm light blinking. Congratulations! Installation is complete.